Have you ever wondered how to empower the next generation with the tools they need to thrive in a complex financial world? What if we told you that teaching kids about money could unlock a future where they make informed decisions, invest wisely, and achieve their dreams? Picture a world where every child understands the true value of a dollar and can navigate the twists and turns of the economy with confidence. Ever pondered what role parents and educators play in shaping a child's financial destiny? How can we transform everyday activities into powerful lessons about saving, spending, and investing? Imagine the impact of a society where financial literacy isn't just a skill, but a way of life. Have you ever considered the significance of needs versus wants? What if we could instill in our children the ability to distinguish between essential necessities and fleeting desires, fostering a sense of responsibility and mindfulness in their spending habits? Imagine a generation that understands the difference and makes choices that lead to financial stability and freedom. And have you ever been inspired by real-life stories of young entrepreneurs and individuals who turn their financial dreams into reality? What if we could learn from their experiences, adapting their strategies to teach our children the value of hard work, determination, and smart financial decisions? Envision a world where every child is motivated to explore their financial potential, equipped with the knowledge to shape their own success story. Join us on this captivating journey as we unravel the secrets to teaching kids about money. A voyage filled with interactive activities, inspiring tales, and expert insights. Together, let's embark on a quest to nurture a financially literate generation, where every child has the confidence to conquer financial challenges and embrace a future of endless possibilities. Welcome to the world of financial empowerment, where questions lead to knowledge, and knowledge paves the way to a brighter tomorrow. 1. Age-appropriate financial education activists. Financial education for children should be engaging and interactive to capture their attention and make learning about money management enjoyable. Age-appropriate activities play a crucial role in teaching kids about finances. For young children, simple activities like playing pretend store or setting up a mini marketplace at home can introduce them to the concept of buying and selling. Parents can create a play environment where children use play money to understand basic transactions, learning the value of different denominations in the process. Educational games and apps have become invaluable tools in teaching financial literacy. Numerous apps are designed specifically for children, featuring interactive lessons, quizzes, and challenges that cover various financial topics. These apps often incorporate gamification elements, making the learning process both educational and entertaining. Games like PiggyBot teach kids about saving, budgeting, and setting financial goals, allowing them to visualize their progress through virtual piggy banks. Additionally, board games like Monopoly or the Game of Life offer valuable lessons in managing money, making investments, and dealing with unexpected expenses. These games provide a hands-on experience in financial decision-making, helping children grasp complex concepts in a simplified, playful manner. 2. The role of parents in financial education. Parents play a pivotal role in shaping their children's attitudes and behaviors towards money. Successful implementation of financial education at home begins with open communication. Parents can involve their children in discussions about family budgets, explaining how money is earned, saved, and spent. This transparency demystifies the financial process and helps children understand the value of money in real-life contexts. Practical experiences are equally important. Parents can encourage their children to earn money through chores or small tasks, fostering a sense of responsibility and work ethic. By providing children with allowances, parents create opportunities for hands-on learning, allowing kids to make spending decisions within a limited budget. These experiences teach children the consequences of their choices, helping them develop essential money management skills. Furthermore, parents can set up savings accounts for their children, encouraging them to save a portion of their allowance or monetary gifts they receive on special occasions. Regular visits to the bank to deposit money empower children to understand the banking system and instill a habit of saving from an early age. Parents can also incentivize saving by offering matching contributions, doubling the amount saved by their children, which serves as a motivation for consistent saving habits. Incorporating financial lessons into daily activities enhances learning. For instance, while grocery shopping, parents can involve their children in comparing prices, understanding discounts, and making budget-conscious choices. These real-life experiences provide valuable insights into practical money management, helping children apply their knowledge in the real world. Age-appropriate financial education activities and parental involvement are fundamental in teaching kids about money. Interactive games, educational apps, and real-life experiences create a holistic learning environment, making financial education accessible and enjoyable for children. When parents actively participate in their children's financial education journey, they empower them with essential skills that will benefit them throughout their lives. These early lessons form the foundation for responsible financial behavior, setting the stage for the next generation to make informed and prudent financial decisions. 3. Financial education in schools. Integrating financial education into the school curriculum is essential for nurturing financially responsible citizens. Schools provide a structured environment where students can learn about budgeting, saving, investing, and other financial concepts. Comprehensive financial education programs not only equip students with practical money management skills, but also instill a sense of financial responsibility and independence. Successful school programs often incorporate interactive learning methods such as group activities, case studies, and simulations, allowing students to apply financial concepts in real-life scenarios. Guest lectures from financial experts and entrepreneurs can provide valuable insights, inspiring students to explore careers in finance and entrepreneurship. Moreover, schools can organize field trips to financial institutions, allowing students to understand banking operations firsthand and gain practical knowledge about financial services. Teachers play a crucial role in delivering financial education effectively. Training programs and workshops can enhance teachers' expertise in financial topics, enabling them to engage students in meaningful discussions and activities. By integrating financial education into subjects like mathematics and social studies, teachers can seamlessly incorporate financial concepts into the existing curriculum, making learning more contextual and relevant to students' lives. 4. The value of saving and investing. Teaching children the value of saving and investing empowers them to secure their financial future. Saving money not only provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, but also fosters a habit of financial discipline. Parents and educators can introduce the concept of savings goals, encouraging children to set objectives for their savings, whether it's buying a toy, funding a school trip, or saving for higher education. Understanding basic investing concepts is equally important, especially for teenagers. Concepts like compound interest, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can be introduced in age-appropriate ways. Educators can use simplified examples and visual aids to explain these concepts, ensuring that students grasp the fundamentals of investing. Virtual investment simulations can also be incorporated into the curriculum, allowing students to practice investing in a risk-free environment. Furthermore, showcasing real-life examples of young investors or entrepreneurs who started small and achieved significant financial success can inspire teenagers to explore investment opportunities. Learning about the journeys of individuals who turn small investments into substantial wealth encourages teenagers to think critically about their financial decisions and explore avenues for wealth creation. Incorporating saving and investing into family discussions can demystify these concepts further. Parents can discuss family investments, such as retirement accounts or mutual funds, with their teenagers, explaining the benefits and risks associated with each investment option. By involving teenagers in these conversations, parents can instill a sense of financial responsibility and prepare them to make informed investment decisions when they become financially independent. By focusing on financial education in schools and teaching the value of saving and investing, educators and parents can empower the younger generation with essential financial knowledge. These lessons not only provide practical skills, but also nurture a mindset of financial responsibility, encouraging children and teenagers to make informed and strategic financial choices as they grow older. 5. Understanding needs vs. wants. Teaching children the distinction between needs and wants is fundamental in developing responsible spending habits. Needs are essential for survival and well-being, such as food, shelter, clothing, and education, while wants are items or experiences that enhance our lives, but are not necessary for basic living. Helping children recognize the difference between these two categories enables them to prioritize their spending effectively. Practical exercises can be integrated into lessons to illustrate this concept. Parents and educators can create scenarios where children must distinguish between needs and wants. For example, discussing the importance of nutritious meals as a need and fast food as a want emphasizes the significance of health and financial prudence. Engaging activities like creating collages or drawings of needs and wants can reinforce the concept visually, making it easier for children to comprehend and remember. Additionally, setting budgeting challenges can teach children to make conscious choices. Parents can provide a fixed amount of money and involve children in planning a day out, considering both needs and wants within the budget constraints. This exercise not only hones their decision-making skills, but also reinforces the concept of making choices based on financial limitations. 6. Financial literacy through real-life experiences. Real-life experiences are powerful teachers when it comes to financial literacy. Sharing stories of young individuals who have overcome financial challenges or achieved success through financial prudence can inspire and educate children and teenagers. These stories serve as relatable examples, showcasing the impact of smart financial decisions and the consequences of poor ones. Moreover, hands-on experiences with financial institutions enhance practical understanding. Accompanying teenagers to open their bank accounts educates them about the banking process, including account types, interest rates, and fees. Understanding these details equips them with the knowledge to choose the most suitable banking services in the future. Additionally, parents can involve teenagers in household budgeting discussions, explaining expenses, income sources, and saving strategies. This involvement provides teenagers with insights into managing a household budget, preparing them for their financial responsibilities in adulthood. Furthermore, encouraging entrepreneurship among teenagers can foster financial independence and creativity. Parents and educators can support teenagers in exploring small business ideas, teaching them about budgeting, pricing, marketing, and customer service. Even if these ventures start on a small scale, the experience gained is invaluable, instilling a sense of entrepreneurship and financial initiative. Incorporating these real-life experiences into financial education creates a holistic learning approach. By connecting theoretical knowledge with practical applications, children and teenagers develop a deeper understanding of financial concepts and learn how to navigate real-world financial challenges effectively. These experiences instill confidence, enabling them to make informed financial decisions and plan for a secure future. As our exploration of teaching kids about money comes to an end, we hope you found inspiration and valuable insights that will shape the way we nurture future generations. Remember, financial education isn't just about numbers. It's about empowering young minds to make informed choices, encouraging them to dream big and work hard. and instilling the confidence to navigate the financial landscapes of tomorrow. As we wrap up this journey, let's carry these lessons forward. Let's engage our children in meaningful conversations about money, encouraging them to ask questions and explore the world of finance with curiosity. Let's create an environment where financial literacy isn't just taught, but lived every day, shaping responsible citizens who understand the power of financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey of financial education. If you found our content valuable and inspiring, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, ensuring you never miss a valuable tip or insightful story. Your support fuels our mission to create a financially literate future generation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Liking our videos helps us reach more viewers, spreading the message of financial empowerment far and wide. We also love hearing from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or personal experiences in the comments section below. Your comments not only enrich our community, but also provide opportunities for meaningful discussions. Stay tuned for more empowering content, and until we meet again, stay financial prudent.